Imagine a world where your customer engagement runs 24/7, powered by AI avatars that never sleep, never tire, and always deliver personalized interactions. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. AI avatars are already transforming businesses, and by 2025, Gartner predicts that 80% of customer interactions will be handled by AI. But here's the kicker: most companies are using them all wrong. Today, I'll show you how to build an AI avatar sales agent pipeline that actually scales your business.
All right, so the way I typically create AI avatars is with this kind of Lego block here, which is available in the community. I have a custom built community where we have a repo with all kinds of different Legos, builds, tutorials that we're constantly updating. Show you how to build a one-man AI business and get started in AI consulting. But typically what I do is I run an HTTP request to HeyGen. It's a post request to the HeyGen API on a template. And so I'm able to create templates here in HeyGen with different AI avatars. And so I'll actually create, whether that's a green screen template with a lifelike AI avatar, a motion avatar, split screen. It just depends on however you want your content to come out. But right now I have long form. So for example, when I'm running my long form automations, I'm actually creating a script that this avatar starts to speak. And so I have different sections of this avatar that gets, so I have with this blue shirt, which is a side, and then I have with this jacket, which is another side. And so I've created a template with alternating sides, which is what you can do for your brand as well. And so within this workflow, typically I'll have an AI agent create a script, create some AI generated B-roll, and then I'll put it all together within HeyGen and then post to Instagram. And you can automate the AI avatar to communicate your brand message.
Customer engagement is the lifeblood of any business, but traditional methods are broken. Human agents are expensive, inconsistent, and limited by time zones. Enter AI avatars, digital sales agents that can engage customers, answer queries, and even close deals autonomously. With tools like HeyGen for avatar creation, N8N for workflow automation, and Notion Airtable as your backend, you can build a system that's not just futuristic, but fully operational today. This isn't just about cutting costs. It's about unlocking hyper-personalized, scalable engagement like never before. AI avatars are the future of customer engagement, but only if you use them right. By combining tools like HeyGen, N8N, and Notion, you can create a system that's not just efficient, but transformative. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about amplifying their impact. The result? Happier customers, higher sales, and a business that runs like clockwork 24/7.
So I had a gentleman comment on the last YouTube video for a demo. So I'm going to demo the long form content generation agent here. Basically what's happening is it uses a chat trigger. So I just give it an instruction. You could connect this up to Telegram or any kind of user interface. Eventually I'm going to put this just on a schedule node and just change the prompt to just do the same trigger every single time. But what's happening here is we're pulling in a content idea from our knowledge base. These two are separate. And then we're filtering the ideas based on preferences of the type of video we want to do. So this is some prompt engineering happening. I'm filtering through those ideas for only the 9s and 10s out of 10, 9 and 10 out of 10. It's basically scoring the ideas based on our preferences. So this is adjustable. And then I'm using DeepSeek to write the script and then an output parser to structure it so that it's templatized. And then I'm pushing that template into an AI avatar video like we talked about earlier. And then I'm grabbing the video and I'm also putting that in my Google Drive. And then I'm also generating a YouTube thumbnail. And I'm using a image one, OpenAI image one post request to create the YouTube thumbnail. And I'm also uploading the thumbnail to Google Drive as well. So to run this, basically I would just say, write 5 to 6, get 5 to 6 video ideas from RAG based on RAG or AI avatars. And so that's then when we zoom in here, we can see that it's the AI agent is extracting ideas from the knowledge base. And so if I click on the knowledge base, we can see kind of what ideas that it's grabbing. So I'm worried about it's grabbing a lot of information about AI clones and different things from the knowledge base based on a vector. We can get deep into like what vectors are, but it grabbed that idea, and then you can see it passed that idea into our filter. And so we have about 6 items that were passed into the filter, and now it's basically ranking them. And of those 6 items, 5 of them were good ideas. And so now we're writing 5 different scripts. And what's going to happen here is it's going to create 5 videos, and it's just going to loop over the next probably 45 minutes, creating 5 different videos, and they're all in 5 different thumbnails, and they're all going to get loaded into this Google Drive folder here. And so we're going to see this fill up over the next 45 minutes with 5 new long-form YouTube video ideas and 5 new thumbnails that I can create and put together just like I'm putting together this video.
According to a McKinsey report, companies using AI-driven customer engagement see a 30% increase in customer satisfaction and a 25% boost in sales conversions. Take HeyGen, for example. Their AI avatars can generate personalized video responses in minutes, reducing response times by 90%. And N8N? It's the glue that ties everything together, automating workflows so seamlessly that businesses report a 50% reduction in manual tasks. Even TLDV, which captures meeting insights, can feed data back into your system, creating a closed loop of continuous improvement.
The main reason that I built this workflow was because I was struggling to see content convert well. Organic content that I was putting hours into was getting very low view counts. And so I was frustrated because I knew I needed to put out a lot of different content to test a lot of different things. It just wasn't fast enough. And so by automating my long form and doing demos, I'm able to sustain traffic, a decent amount of traffic, and have consistency and efficiency with producing quality content. So anyways, you can see here with this automation that it's inside of its loop. There's a 13-minute wait here to generate each video because I don't want it to break. And so it's creating these 5 videos that DeepSeek wrote the scripts for these 5 videos based on prompt engineering and ideas that were pulled in from a knowledge base. And so these are going to get loaded into the long form workflow. What's funny is the same videos that you're watching right now was generated with this system, right? So basically what I do is I pull in from my Google Drive the AI generated avatars into CapCut, and then I have a little bit of recording that I do, and I'll do a little bit of editing and recording, and then I'll put it all together and put it out. And it helps communicate, building in public, the different things that I offer. And it's just a nice communication channel between like me and my audience. And it also gives me practice with like teaching and doing step-by-step tutorials better. So if you ever jump into the community, some of these tutorials are really well done. We have a tutorial on AI lead qualification, insight extraction. We have different downloads. You can actually download the JSON files and upload them to your own N8N instances. So there's a lot of good stuff that's available.
The numbers don't lie. AI avatars aren't just a trend, they're a game changer. Here's how to build your AI avatar sales agent pipeline. Start with HeyGen to create a lifelike avatar tailored to your brand. Connect it to N8N, where you'll automate triggers, like a customer filling out a form or asking a question. Use Airtable or Notion to store customer data and responses, ensuring every interaction is personalized. Finally, integrate TLDV to analyze real meetings and refine your avatar's performance. Imagine a customer visits your site at 2 a.m. Your AI avatar greets them, answers questions, and even schedules a demo. No human needed. This isn't just automation, it's a revolution in customer engagement. Ready to build your AI avatar sales agent? Click the link below to download my free blueprint for setting up this system. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cutting-edge automation tips. Drop a comment. I'd love to hear how you're using AI avatars in your business.